Hello there and welcome to this channel. Within this video I'm going to be doing a basic mix of a track within about half an hour or so. So why don't we delve over into Logic and have a look. And I don't want to spend any more than half an hour on this mix. It's just going to be a basic mix for a guitarist to track guitar against. So it's going to be very quick, just to get a basic mix so he can actually listen to and then track his guitar. So here we go. I'm just going to loop the busiest part of the song. Okay, so that's just a tip. You know, when I'm starting a mix, I'll just kind of loop the busiest part of the song and then I'll start from there. Okay, I've got a mix template. I'll do another video on how to create these mix templates, but I've got a basic mix template that I work from, so it's pretty straightforward and pretty easy. I don't have to put plugins in again, it's all there ready for me. And the order I like to place my mixer and place the tracks, if you like, are all literally in the order that I like to see. Everything's color coded. Okay, so let's make a start. Okay, so everything's been bussed to that one reverb. There's probably going to be some more, but I've just set up a one room reverb, so that'll be enough for now. Okay, so I'm just going to go to the other parts of the mix where we've got some percussion, some effects. So let's just, I want to make sure that they're balanced in the mix. Here we go. Just want to come into this intro part. Yeah, that's fine for the minute. Okay, just got some white noise and a reverse cymbal, which is fine for the minute in terms of the mix. Sub kicks working fine. That's all fine. Reverse cymbal. Yep, claps are fine. I can hear those in the mix. Okay, we've got some effects here. Okay, that's fine. I've done a little bit of automation, not much, but that's all fine. The filters, I've done, like I said, I've got this one knob filter on those BV vocals. I just want to make sure that they're working okay. That's fine. Panning issue there. I don't want to just do that. Let's have a quick listen to that hi-hat. Again, for this stage, that's fine. So I'm generally happy with the balance of the mix. We've just got this ending part where everything cuts out, and I've got this bass synth, so I just want to make sure that's in the mix. There we go. Okay, so generally happy with that. It's just a basic quick mix that's going to go off to a guitarist for his parts. I've got to do my vocals as well, so there's going to be some videos on that. So finally, please don't forget to subscribe, click that bell icon, because I'm posting at least 3 times a week now, Mondays, Wednesdays, and also on Friday. So click that bell icon, give us a like, and keep safe and well, and we'll speak with you very, very soon.